What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make your armor stands dance like this. Look at this. And if you want to know where this red armor is from, just go to my playlists on my YouTube channel and go to how to do videos, and yeah, it's how to make dyed armor, something like that, different colored armor. So, and it is really simple guys, so let's get right into this. So you need an arm stand, redstone, a redstone comparator, a redstone torch, any block of your choice, any head of your choice, and any head of your choice. It doesn't matter what. If you want a head or you could have an armor stand, it don't matter. So any block of your choice, you place it down. Then you get your redstone torches, place it at the top, front of them, and then you put the armor stands here first. I forgot to do that. You put whatever you want on them, guys. That's what I'm going to do. So it's simple. You put your redstone like this, just like that, so it gets lighted up by these. Then go back, and then you get your redstone comparator, place like that. And wait, yeah, okay, that was wrong. So you place your redstone comparator, but you need to be looking that way, so the arrow is pointing opposite way of the thing. And you place these pointing at them, so they're actually pointing at the armor stands. And then yeah, what? Oh no, I forgot to add this. Then you do that. And that is it, guys. Yeah, legit, that is literally it. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Share to your family and friends. And peace out.